Today I'm gonna share with you how to change background of perfume bottle in Adobe Photoshop. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Adjust the size and position. Hit enter on the keyboard. Now open your quick selection tool from the toolbar, and click and drag over the bottle to select it. Then create a layer mask. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Double-click on this, and rename it Highlights. Change the blend mode from normal to soft light. I'll decrease the opacity to 45%. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a levels. Then adjust the midtones. Once you're satisfied, close Properties window. And that's it. Thanks for watching.